Hey guys, welcome to another tutorial of the Solution Journals. Today we will learn how to upload a story with music in Instagram, and the process is really quick. The first step is go to the application of Instagram, and in the application of Instagram you put here when you upload the story, and you need to find a image. You can search any image like this, and after that you need to go to the option of your stickers, and you need to go to the option of music, and you can pick here in the tendons in Instagram, or you can search your specifically music, specifically song you want to put, but you put here, and you can choose the part of the song, and after that you pick in done, and the only thing you need to do is put in your story, and that's it. Uh, you upload this story. So this is the process. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Follow us for more content like this.